So I still got extra teeth. It's fine. This is fine. It's delicious. Okay. Hey guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put on false lashes. And we're going to be using the Kiss Shy Lashes, which have a super small band. And these look pretty natural, so they're a great beginner's lash. As well as using the Duo Lash Adhesive. I'm going to be using the dark tone, but if you're a beginner, you're better off using the light tone, so if you mess up, it doesn't ruin your eyeshadow. So to begin with, you need to have your lashes, and you need to take them and measure them to your eye length. So mine are pre-cut, but what you need to do is place them up there and see about how much excess you need to cut off, and you make sure you're cutting from the outer edge where it's normally a little bit longer and not from the inner corner, because these are shorter, and if you have such long ones in the corner, they're going to bug the mess out of you. They will. So then once you've got them trimmed down for both eyes, you will also need to have some utensils. So I use this Tarte lash thing. I mean, that's the only way I can describe it. And you can kind of place it up there, and then I'll go in and adjust it with real tweezers. So I take the lash glue and I squirt it onto a surface. For me, that is just the MAC paint pot. I'll just squirt it on top of there, and I'll take the end of a brush and dip it in the lash glue, and I'll take it and apply it to the lashes. And then once that is up there, I'll just blow on it for about 10 seconds. Just so it helps it get a little bit tackier. And then once it's gotten a little bit tackier, I'll put it inside the lash thingy, and I'll take it, I'll blow it some more, and then I have a ×10 mirror so I can see up a little bit closer, so I'll get that, and I will take the lashes and I'll take it and press the outer edge to the lash line. So that kind of helps anchor it up there, and then I'll go in with the other tweezers and adjust it. So this is the lash on, and also beforehand I curled my lashes and applied one small coat of mascara so they'll help blend into that. And then I just kind of push them up so they kind of fan out and look longer. And so now I'm going to do the other eye. Lash glue. And then blow. Tweezers. And apply. So you see where I've gone in, and I'm just sitting there and adjusting it to the lash line, because you want as close as possible to your lash line so it looks nice and natural. And see how they look now? Oh, can you see all my pores? Don't look at them. I need some Botox. That's way too much movement. So now you have the lashes applied, and you just don't want to mess with them too much so that you don't mess up the glue too much. But it really does enhance any look. It makes your eyes just look more ba-ba-boom kind of look. And I just love the way it makes my eyes look because I have stubs for lashes. Stubs. So I hope this helps you with your lash applying. It does definitely take some trial and error, but I find that using these has really helped me because the lash band is so thin. It makes it easier to move and adjust, as well as honestly the dark tones lash glue is amazing, but what I started with was the Tarte lash glue, and that stuff is, it dries down really quick. They make it clear. So that was kind of how I learned to do lashes, was using those two. So I hope these tips and tricks have helped you out when applying your lashes, and I'll see you next time. You get some lashes. You get some lashes. Sorry about lashes.